eggshell, cracked and white. F is for feather, floating light. G is for geyser, steaming hot. H is for hammock, a cozy spot.